Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send your CV by email for a job. First, log into Gmail or Outlook. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step. Then click Compose or New Email to start a message. Next, enter the company's email address carefully and add a clear subject line like Application for Job Title, your name. Now write a short, professional message. Introduce yourself, mention the job, and highlight a couple of key skills or experiences. Keep it concise and enthusiastic. Attach your CV using the paperclip icon. Use PDF or Word format, and name your file clearly. For example, johndoecv.pdf. Finally, review your email. Make sure everything is correct and click Send, and that's it. Your application is sent professionally and ready to impress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.